So here we are on the College Board's website, and for AP exams, they actually just updated the calculator policy for the 2025 exams. So for those of you taking AP exams in 2025, they will all be at least partially digital. For calculus, A, B, and BC, all multiple choice will be done on a screen through the Bluebook app. For your response, you'll view on screen and then answer in a pencil paper test booklet. What they've just announced is that during the calculator sections of the calculus exams, you will have access to either your normal handheld calculator that you're used to using, or you can use the Desmos graphing feature through the Bluebook testing app. And I'm sure you're at least relatively familiar with Desmos. They should have a link to it down here a little ways. Yeah, there we go. So if we go to it here, you can graph on Desmos. You can obviously graph on your handheld graphing calculator as well. But what we want to take a little bit of time to do here is show how easy it is to evaluate integral expressions through the Desmos app. Now this isn't Bluebook, I can't really show you that, but I'm going to get rid of this, and we're going to use this input line momentarily to actually do a part of an FRQ from 2024. So we're not going to necessarily talk about all of the aspects of this problem here. I have another video that you can check out to see how to get this integral, how to do parts A, B, and D. In this case, we just want to focus on the evaluation of this expression right here. So you'll notice that C prime of t is given. If I need to calculate 55 plus the definite integral from 12 to 20 of this function with respect to t, how do I use Desmos to get this answer? Now you don't have to do this. You will have access to your handheld calculator. So if you are more familiar with it, go ahead and use it. But I just want to show you how easy it is to use Desmos to evaluate this expression. I'm literally just typing it in, 55 plus. I'm just going to type INT. Desmos recognizes that as me wanting to do an integral. I'm going to do the integral from 12 to 20. And then that function that was there was negative 24.55 e raised to the 0.01 t. Get out of the exponent. I need to divide that all by t. I do need to tell Desmos what to do the integral with respect to. Doing this integral with respect to t. What you see shows up is the exact same answer, 40.329, as we should have gotten. So you don't have to use it. Pretty cool that the College Board is going to let you use this, give you this option on the calculator sections of your calculus exam. They aren't going to let you use this for statistics just yet. You can't do certain statistical calculations with the Desmos app. So calculus, you've got access to this if you want it. Handheld's good too. Another option to use, another double check you can do on the AP exam.